Welcome back to the channel. So the other day I was trying to use my John Deere 1025r tractor's working lights and one of them was out. So instead of replacing it with a regular bulb, I went on Amazon and found some replacement LEDs at a really good price. So this is going to be a really quick video on how to replace your working lights on a John Deere tractor with some inexpensive LEDs. So the first thing we want to do is turn all of our lights off. So now that our lights are turned off, we can remove the power connector going into this working light. Now I'm going to do the bad one first. That way I can get a side-by-side comparison of the one that works versus the new LED. So in order to release this electrical connector, there's a black tab on each side. Now this one is broken off, but there is one on this side. So I'm going to pull it back just a little bit, and this whole connector should come out just like that. Now what we want to do is turn this counterclockwise. This is the bulb. So we're going to turn this counterclockwise without dropping it. And you can see this one, the whole entire bulb is gone. So we're going to replace this with the new LED replacement. All right, this is the box that the replacement LEDs came in. Let's see what we've got. So we have a 2-pack. And there is what the LED bulb looks like. So if I compare it with the old one, it looks like it should match up. Everything looks identical. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 LEDs going around. And it looks like there's like a magnifier on the end of it. So the installation process is just reversed. We're going to put it in until these 3 tabs line up. And then we're going to twist it clockwise, just like that. And then now all we have to do is just replace our electrical connector, and it should snap in. There it goes, it clicked. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So here is the OEM bulb. It's more of a warm color, pretty bright. And over on this side, this is the replacement LED light. I would say it's a cooler temperature. Definitely more of a white light. As far as brightness goes, honestly, the OEM bulb is probably a little bit brighter, if I had to guess. But the LEDs are definitely going to be fine for what I use them for. All right, so I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. I'm just going to pull these black tabs out and pull the connector off. Counterclockwise, twist the bulb. You can see that's what an original bulb looks like. Here they are side by side. So now I'm just going to take the LED bulb, just like we did on the other side, twist it into place, redo my connector. Luckily this side has both tabs remaining, it's not broken. And that's it, that's all there is to it. So let's see how both of them look. All right, and there they are, both installed and working. Pretty straightforward and easy installation. I'll leave a link to these in the description below along with the part number. I'm sure you can find them on eBay as well, and probably other places. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.